Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This is Money Clues with Mercy. And so guys, I'm back again with this amazing video. And basically what you can see on my screen right here, this is what we call liquidity pools. I know most of you have heard about the pools. I don't know how you call it, but basically this is exactly what you can see on my chart. This is an indicator by LuxAlgo. And so guys, I want us to really try this indicator to learn more about it. And we are actually going to see whether it is going to work for us, or rather this is actually going to guide us to really know what we need to know when we want to execute trades. Okay, so guys, to add the indicator, you're just going to click on indicators, tap right there, and the technicals, guys, you're going to type LuxAlgo Liquidity Pulse, this one right here. So guys, you're going to click on it. Once you click on it, it will basically appear like this right on your chart. And so guys, this is basically what we really need. So guys, you're going directly in the settings because there is some features I want you to activate. And guys, we're going to use the zone contact as 2, the bars required between each contact as 5, then confirmation bars, I want them to be 10. Then make sure you activate the display volume label as well. Ensure you have activated fill candles inside the zone. So once you do like that, you click on OK. This is basically what you're going to see right on your chart. And so guys, before I even continue, I would love to actually define what liquidity pool is in forex trading. Basically, we have what we call liquidity pools, and so it's important we identify them. And LuxAlgo found maybe it's a challenge to beginners, and that's why he came up with this kind of an indicator. And so guys, liquidity pools are areas where small participants are likely to place stop limit orders to manage risk at reasonable swing points. So basically guys, what you're supposed to know is that you're going to find your liquidity pools where there is swing points, simply because this is where small participant we place our stop limit orders. And I know guys, you can ask yourself, why is it important? You're supposed to know these zones attract institutional traders who use pending orders as a liquidity to enter large position, aiming to influence price movement. And so guys, another thing you're supposed to know is by monitoring these zones, traders can anticipate market movements and potentially benefit from these dynamics. So it is a very crucial level. And so guys, I would love as well to clarify, beyond general liquidity theory, we know buy sell liquidity, all those things we know. You're supposed to know identifying zones consistently visited by price aids in using them as support and resistance levels. So that's what I want you to keep in mind today, that you're going to use zones as our point of interest, or rather as our support and resistance levels. And by analyzing these levels, we can assess how effectively participants enter and exit these zones, helping to gauge their importance. So this is basically what you're supposed to know about the liquidity pools indicator. By the definition of that, guys, I know we're going to really know how to use this indicator. So this indicator shows a lot, guys. You can see there is zones highlighted right here. We have the numbers right here, and basically we have different lines in red color, in green color as well, and as well we have a highlightation right here. So that is basically what I want you to really understand before we move to a strategy. So guys, I will start by the numbers. You can see right here, they are in different colors. They are in red color and as well in green color. So guys, the numbers you can see, they actually shows the volume accumulated in each and every zone. And so guys, we have as well what you can see right here highlighted, despite of us having the number. Now you can see right here, they are actually shown by this horizontal line that has not this highlightation of green line, as you can see right here. So this one right here, we're supposed to know it shows us a bullish liquidity pulse, and basically the opposite is true. When you see the red one, it is shows the bearish liquidity pulse. That's what you're supposed to know anytime that you want to execute your trades using this indicator. Okay, and so guys, how do you execute your buy order, or rather how do you execute your sell order? Basically, you're supposed to know these are zones where small participants, they have actually placed their stop limit orders. And basically, I told you this happens on our swing highs and as well on our swing lows. So this is a very crucial level as your support and resistance level. Okay, and so guys, I will tell you this for free. Even if you find this highlighted right here showing you a huge number, showing you the bearish volume accumulated in this level, you cannot execute your sell order directly. You really need confirmation. Like for instance, here you saw it is actually a highly concentrated volume area, and I know most of you would think of taking the selling opportunity, but basically guys, when price got to this level, it reversed, it basically reacted to it, and it was broken above. You understand? So you really have to have confirmation, like candlestick closure and exiting your trades where you're supposed to exit, simply because you really have to understand your minor support and resistance levels to exit. And that's why you have to have as well a knowledge when it comes to liquidity sweeps and so on and so forth. You have to understand as well what we call a break of structure, change of character, so that you'll be able to execute your trades perfectly. Okay, so guys, most of you as well can really assume that when we have this liquidity pulse that is shown right here, and we got the number right here, you tend to think it has to be respected. That is what we all know. And basically guys, this can happen and this can fail to happen. Like for instance, on our past events right here, it was respected because we have several break of structure, candlestick closing above, and it was indeed a beautiful push to the upside. But when price came again, there was really a zone where price did not respect it. And basically what happened, price broke below it. And when price broke below it, it is indeed a great push to the downside. So have a probability, or rather have this in mind, that these levels can be respected despite of it having a big number, or rather it can be broken above or below, so that you'll be able to execute your trades. But basically guys, if you look at these zones carefully, you will see price really reacts to it. As well, when you see a level like this, you have to ask yourself the nature of the market you are at. Is the market trending to the upside? Is it dropping to the downside? Those are questions that you're supposed to ask yourself, and basically you will be able to make money as far as forex trading is basically concerned. So guys, those are the important things to really pay attention to. I've broken down what you really need to do, and therefore coming up with a trading strategy, it will be very easy for us. And so guys, I would love us to go down to 30 minutes time frame and see what is happening. And guys, this you can use it on any time frame, so you don't have to say it is working on specific time frame and it is not working on other time frame. This basically works well on all time frame. And basically guys, on live market right here, I can basically say that it is working on real time and it is not repenting. And basically being volume accumulated area, you can see price really broke below, but basically it is a level that you're supposed to watch the market from. Okay, so guys, let me hope they added some value to you. I've actually explained it the way you're supposed to get it. Okay, so guys, tune in, subscribe to this channel, like this video, turn on your notification bell, because a strategy is dropping anytime soon when it comes to really knowing a trading strategy using this indicator. So guys, I will leave at this point. Bye bye. I will see you in my next video.